You want to lose weight fast and easy? Here are some of healthy foods and recipes that will help you lose weight. So check this list when you go to the supermarket. The good sources of protein. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and therefore can play a major role in supporting natural weight loss. They are a great form of slow-release energy to keep you going throughout the day. Turkey, lean protein helps you stay fuller for longer. It has the amino acids that are the building blocks for muscle. Chicken and fish are good too. Your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does to digest carbohydrates. Salmon, lean sources of protein help you feel full without adding fat. However, 50% of women ages 18 to 50 don't know if they get enough of this essential nutrient. Reduced fat milk. It's one of the healthiest dairy items. It's low in fat, and it's an excellent source of protein, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B. If you want something with fewer sugars and saturated fats, you might want to try a lower percentage like skim milk. Lentils, packed with fiber, folate and magnesium. This versatile fat-free legume can be a fabulous supporting player of a slim and healthy eating regimen. Lentils, prepared any number of ways, will have you feeling as if you've eaten a meal. The good sources of carbs. Oats are rich in fiber, so a serving can help you feel full throughout the day. Just a half cup packs 4.6 grams of resistant starch, a healthy carb that boosts metabolism and burns fat. Beans are inexpensive, filling, and versatile, and a great source of protein. Beans are also high in fiber and slow to digest. That means you feel full longer, which may stop you from eating more. Grapefruit is a delicious and nutritious sweet tart snack, breakfast side, or salad topping. But researchers have also discovered that eating grapefruit or grapefruit juice daily can aid in weight loss, possibly due to a reduction in insulin levels. Broccoli, rich in fiber, loaded with antioxidants, and overall an amazing vegetable. Broccoli is a great choice to include in your diet. You can use it in so many different dishes or just serve it on its own. To keep the pounds at bay, eat an apple or two a day. Numerous studies have found that eating an apple a half hour to an hour before a meal has the result of cutting the calories of the meal, because the fiber in the apple makes you feel full, so you eat less. Brown rice is a heartier, fiber-packed alternative to less than super white rice. A half cup serving contains 1.7 grams of resistant starch, a healthy carb that boosts metabolism and burns fat. The good sources of fat. There is no reason to be afraid of eating fats as long as they're the right fats. Avocados are the perfect example of food high in good fats, and are something that you can eat in abundance, since they keep you feeling nourished and satisfied. For a great snack on the run, take a small handful of almonds, peanuts, walnuts, or pecans. Research shows that when people munch on nuts, they automatically eat less at later meals. Almonds help build muscle, reduce cravings, and make a most convenient snack. Avoid salted almonds. Instead, nibble on raw almonds that still have their skin. You can use these foods in recipes, like a delicious egg omelette. You need 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons salsa, 1 tablespoon guacamole. Crack the eggs into a preheated, non-stick skillet over high heat, breaking the yolks. Cook on one side for 50 seconds or until fully cooked. Top with the remaining ingredients. Enjoy the 1 handful of baked tortilla chips. Blueberry nut oatmeal. Cook 1/2 cup dry, quick 1-minute Quaker oats. Top with 1 cup frozen organic blueberries, 2 tablespoons cashews, and 1 tablespoon honey. Broccoli and feta omelette with toast. Cooking spread. 1 cup chopped broccoli, 2 large eggs beaten, 2 tablespoons feta cheese crumbled, 1/4 tablespoon dry dill, 2 slices rye bread toast. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Coat pan with cooking spread, add broccoli and cook 3 minutes. Combine egg, feta and dill in a small bowl. Add egg mixture to pan. Cook 3 to 4 minutes. Flip omelette and cook 2 minutes or until cooked through. Serve with toast. Banana nut oatmeal. 1/2 cup old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 cup water, 1 banana sliced, 1 tablespoon chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Combine oats and 1 cup water in a small microwave-safe bowl. Top with banana slices, walnuts, and cinnamon. Grilled cheese with turkey and tomato. 2 slices whole grain bread, 1 slice cheddar cheese, 2 ounces sliced turkey, 1 sliced tomato, cooking spray, 1/2 cup pea pods, 2 tablespoons low-fat ranch dressing. Make sandwich with bread, cheese, turkey, and tomato. Coat a skillet with cooking spray and toast sandwich for about 3 minutes on each side until bread is golden brown and cheese is melted. Serve with pea pods and ranch dressing. Apple and non-fat yogurt. 1 small apple sliced. 1/2 non-fat plain yogurt sprinkled with 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. A sprinkle of cinnamon may boost weight loss, according to a study by the USDA. The spice's polyphenols help regulate blood sugar, keep your hunger pangs at bay. Peanut butter and banana smoothie. 1/2 cup fat-free milk, 1/2 cup fat-free plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons creamy natural unsalted peanut butter, 1/4 very ripe banana, 1 tablespoon honey, 4 ice cubes. Combine all ingredients in a blender and process until smooth. Pour into a tall glass and serve. Eating these foods can help you lose weight, but don't forget to exercise. Remember that you need to have faith, discipline, and enough determination to make your weight loss plan to finally work. And if you are seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description or go to the short link www.seriousfitnessprograms.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching and see you next time.